I take 2012 predictions for IT hiring with a big grain of salt, and I'll tell you why. In an Information Week story about its Outlook 2012 survey, the headline read 2012 IT Outlook: More projects, tepid hiring plans. Indeed, 25% of the respondents said they were expanding staff, while a mere 9% said they were cutting back. And that's versus 14% expanding 2 years ago and a whopping 18% cutting back. Tepid? Still skittish about IT hiring? That sounded like a vast improvement to me, even though the survey says a third of companies will impose a hiring freeze in 2012. But it's no surprise that companies are embarking on more projects as IT becomes more strategic. Now, compare the Information Week hiring forecast to the outlook from Robert Half Technology, which projects that 10% of the 1,400 CIOs it surveyed will be adding to staff in the first quarter of 2012, and that's up from 6% in the corresponding quarter of last year. Now, the headline on the Robert Half press release says, "Survey finds increase IT hiring projections." The Robert Half headline conveyed the increase in a matter-of-fact fashion, while the Information Week headline makes a value judgment by using the word tepid. And the Information Week projects a 2.5 times greater percentage of respondents who say they plan to expand hiring. Robert Half, glass half full. Information Week, glass three-quarters empty. Of course, it could be surveying two entirely separate groups. The Information Week survey was based on responses from 650 business technology pros, whoever exactly that might be. Robert Half claims to have conducted more than 1,400 telephone interviews with CIOs. But how could they be so far apart in their projections if either is accurate? Well, let me pose the key question. Does what others are doing influence you when it comes to hiring? Probably not. Open recs are usually backed by a real need. My sense is next year will be better than last year. Then again, that's what I always think and hope for every year. Happy holidays. I'm John Dodge, Community Manager of the Enterprise CIO Forum. We'll see you in 2012.